meters. Before measuring, let's learn the whole parts of this instrument. Host machine, special cable, alloy electrode, charger. The first step for measuring. Wiring. Select a tape of 50 meters and pull it open along the straight line at the location needed to be explored. Mark at the starting point. The geophysical wiring is generally present vertical structure and net-shaped vertical crossing wiring at open areas. The second step, long press start button to enter start interface. 6 options are displayed, respectively single frequency, 3 frequency, profile survey, file explorer, settings and services. Today, we adopt the profile survey measurement method. Choose profile survey to enter measurement interface. Click options. Choose depth. You have 3 options of 150 meters, 300 meters and 500 meters. According to measurement requirement, we choose measurement line as number 001 with a depth of 300 m for exploration. The third step, cross and put the 2 connected electrodes together before sampling. And then click line test on the instrument. When the green test light of the instrument is on, it indicates that line is normal. Next, we use 10-meter electrode equidistance for measurement. Insert 1 electrode near the host into the tape position of 0 meter. Insert the other electrode into the tape position of 10 meter. Click record button for measurement of the first point. When the data acquisition is completed, the instrument display will notify record completed, accompanied with a voice prompt. Then the first point is completed for acquisition. Please attention that each measurement point is in the middle of the 2 electrodes. So the first measurement point is in the position of 5 meter. Next, move the 2 electrodes forward simultaneously at a distance of 1 meter. Click record button for data acquisition of the second point. When the acquisition is completed, the instrument display will notify record completed. The second measurement point is in the position of 6 meter. And so on. Repeat the above operation for measurement. When a line measurement is finished, the screen automatically displays the curve chart. Click Profile. The instrument automatically draws profile maps. You can click plus or minus to adjust the map as needed. If you need to measure the next line, you can adjust the line as number 2, measure as the above steps. Attention! The electrode rod cannot be shaken, or the copper electrode cannot touch metal matters while recording. It is suggested that one line should be measured more than 15 points. Instruments are strictly prohibited to use in thunderstorm days. Wiring needs to avoid the areas with high voltage line and grade ground drop. In order to better using the instrument and improving the well completion rate, users can send pictures to our geophysical water detecting exchange platform through mobile phone.